Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my brand new video, guys. Today I collect some dirty planes. Wow, this is my collecting bucket, and here lots of amazing dirty planes and cars. So let's start to collect the toy plane and cars. At first, guys, a big toys, wow, like truck, collect and put it here. And next, guys, a plane, wow, jet plane, also collect and put it here. And next, guys, another big, wow, rocket, amazing rocket craft, wow, also collect and put it here. And next, guys, a car, wow, amazing big racing car, dirty car, also collect and put it here. And next, guys, a small aeroplane. And guys, next, another small jet aeroplane, wow, collect and put it here. And next, guys, another racing car, also collect and put it here. And here, guys, a helicopter, wow, dirty helicopter, collect and put it here. And next, guys, another big jet plane, wow, fighter jet plane, also collect and put it here. And next, guys, a truck, mini truck, collect and put it here. And last, guys, a big aeroplane, wow, guys, amazing big plane, wow, collect and put it here. So guys, here lots of amazing dirty planes, car and toys. Wow, water, guys, water, amazing water, fresh water. At first, guys, a jet plane, wow, amazing dirty jet plane. After watch the plane, wow, guys, look at this. What is this? Wow, this is amazing super duper premium quality army jet helicopter, wow. Put it down, guys. And next, guys, a car, a truck, wow, amazing big truck. After watch the truck, oh guys, look at this. What is this? This is a small truck. Wow, put it down. And next, guys, a plane. Wow, amazing small plane. After watch the plane. Oh guys, look at this. What is this? This is amazing super duper premium quality jet plane, wow. Put it down. And next, guys, another small toys, wow, like orange color jet plane. After watch the plane, oh guys, look at this. This is amazing, another super duper orange color premium quality fighter jet aeroplane, wow. Put it down, guys. And next, a big toys like rocket launcher. After watch the toys, guys, look at this. This is amazing super duper premium quality rocket aeroplane, wow. Put it down, guys. And next, guys, another big helicopter, dirty helicopter. After watch the helicopter, oh guys, look at this, wow, amazing super duper premium quality fighter helicopter, wow. Put it down. And next, guys, a car, wow, amazing like blue color car, like racing car. After watch the car, wow, guys, yes, this is amazing super duper premium quality blue color racing car. guys, what is this? This is also a robot. Wow. Put it down, guys. And next, guys, another jet plane. Wow, small color jet plane. After watch the jet plane. Wow, guys, look at this. This is super duper premium quality yellow color jet aeroplane. Wow. Put it down, guys. And next, guys, a truck. Wow. Amazing big truck. After watch the truck. Oh, guys, look at this. Wow, this is super duper premium quality truck. Wow, put it down. And next, guys, a big aeroplane. Wow. After watch the aeroplane. Wow, guys, look at this. This is super duper premium quality jet aeroplane. Wow. Put it down, guys. And next and last toys, guys, a red color toys like racing car. After watch the toy. Oh, guys, yes, look at this. This is red color super duper premium quality racing car. Wow, amazing. Put it down, guys. So guys, here lots of amazing jet aeroplane toys and racing car.